inyo. Pahiram po ng 20 na sa inyong hamon. Ako po si Boy. And welcome to Fast Talk. Maraming salamat. Welcome to Fast Talk.
Sound in a certain way. Tunog Mike Enriquez. Medyo mabilis, medyo may sense of urgency. Hindi naman yung gagayahin mo siya mismo, pero yun yung sense of urgency, tsaka yung may konting puwersa.
Okay.
So, starting out 25 years ago, I had to read aloud tabloids dahil kailangan ko mag-practice dahil bilang isang Kapampangan, malakas daw ang punto ko. So, kailangan kong practicein yung pag-deliver. Bibili ako ng tabloid, babasahin ko ng malakas. Practice. Until na-imbibe ko yung sinasabi mong tone.
Right.
Na distinct sa mga reporters.
Yeah.
I think by assimilation na Tito Boy. Kasi yung naririnig mo araw-araw and you sort of pick it up na rin. But similar to Ivan, I remember nung una kong nag-umpisa. First voice-over story that I had, coverage ko was a police story. Tapos talagang tinawagan ko, mami ko, abangan natin mamayang gabi sa news kasi ere na yung balita ko. So syempre, mami ko, tinawagan yung buong barangay. Lahat kami nakaabang. Tapos pag ere, hindi ako yung nag-voice, hindi ko boses. Oh no, anong, may mali ba akong sinabi? And then the next day, I was told very nicely na, parang, very nicely naman, I have to clarify that, very nicely. Kasi parang masyadong mabait, malambot yung boses na ginamit ko sa pag-voice. And sometimes I think I still fall back to that somehow. But with, I don't know, I guess with age, maybe it also comes with age, lumalalim na rin siguro yung boses ko.
Why are you proud to be doing what you do?
I think the pride comes from the fact that, you know, we know that we have an important role to play. Not just, it's not just a career. I always think of this as a public service. What we do is a public service. So we have an important role to play in society. Parang meron talaga kaming papel na kailangan mapanan. Kung wala kami, kung wala tayo, yung mga mamamahayan, hindi malalaman ng mga tao kung anong dapat nilang malaman. And I think the best example of that would be nung COVID. Diba? Nung mga tao takot lumabas, sino lumalabas? Yung mga mamamahayan.
Being able to influence the agenda, the national agenda for the day. Being able to ask the questions directly to people that matter. Like in my case, I get to ask questions directly to the President. At yun ay nakaka-apekto sa pinag-uusapan ng sambayanan.
Hot dad, rich dad.
Hot dad.
Dad bod, dad jokes.
Dad bod.
Napagalitan ng boss.
Guilty.
Natawa habang nagbabalita.
Guilty.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness, Ivan.
Anytime.
Complete this. Wala akong kinikilingan, puwera na lang.
Ang mali ay mali.
Kaintingan
ang tama.
Yeah. Pretty brainy.
Brainy.
Good news, bad news.
Good news.
Anchor, reporter.
Anchor.
Gagawin kang leading lady. Sino ang leading man?
Dennis Trillo.
Sino ang kontrabida? Ako na lang.
Ako na lang.
Ako na lang.
Pero parang wala sa itsura.
Okay. Niligawan ng politiko.
No.
Lights on or lights off?
Off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Gabi.
Complete this. I love weekends because
I get to go to work and spend time with my family. Tito Boy, happiness or chocolates?
Tito Boy, seryoso yung tanong ko. How did you become such a great interviewer? It's my first time, so I'm looking forward sa mga tanong, sa mga fast talk questions ni Tito Boy. Sana hindi ako pumalpak.
Yeah.
Excited to be here because with Tito Boy, you never know what to expect. At kay Tito Boy, syempre, laging masaya ang conversation. So, very happy to be here.